Before we jump in, make sure I got everything. I got 3/8 and 1/4" sockets. Over here, I got I think 8 through 15 wrenches, pliers, screwdriver, flat Phillips, and I got my Milwaukee 1/4" and 3/8, along with 3/8 ratchet and some extensions. So hopefully that's everything I need. I can get this off here within the next 10-15 minutes and start setting the other one up to get it on.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that I can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the search.
It's out.
Pain is never really permanent. Damn, it hurts, man. I can feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide.
Now I gotta go to the zone.
Get some rags. Soak up this coolant off my brand new floor. First spill.
First spill on the garage floor. Yeah.
Oil?
No, it's all coolant. Yeah. I gotta go to AutoZone real quick and get some stuff to soak it up.
Yeah.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta.
Alright guys, so when I got the pig mat back, to be honest with you, I didn't read the instructions. But we're gonna go to movie sensors over to this one. You got your breather hole up here. I'll make sure the bolts for the fuel rail fit in here, or do I have to use their bolts? So I'm probably gonna knock this here and go read the instructions before I move everything over, just to make sure I got it right, because these sleeves become correct. They're gonna go here where the fuel rail goes in, just from looking at it. Yep, so these sleeves are gonna go in here, help hold the fuel rail. So the bolts that I have probably won't work. Yep, just like I thought. One there. There's an option for a top feed fuel rail. So thread in. Try this other one to see. Yeah, I'm just gonna mock it up, show you guys. And so there's definitely gonna be a part 2 with this. When it comes to installation. Alright, so that one's in place. The way this is set up, I don't see the injector seating properly. Oh, there's O-rings for that. Oh, okay. So I just gotta do some reading, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up move everything over from this to this, and that'll be that. Alright guys, so got the instructions here. Make sure I read it tomorrow. And also gonna make a gasket for put it in between these two. Alright. There's no gasket. So I'm gonna pull my fuel rail off so I can bolt everything down. Go on my work tomorrow. Clean up the threads on this, make sure everything snug, no cross threading, and go from there. So thank y'all. Come back, part 2.